What we have here today is a spider. He belongs to phylum Arthropoda. It is the most successful animal group ever to live. It consists of over 1 million species, and 2 of every 3 animals are arthropods. The main characteristics of arthropods are they have a hard exoskeleton, they are composed of protein and chitin, which means they must molt as they grow, which limits their size. They must have well-developed body segments and appendages, well-developed sensory glands, and have 2 eyes and an antenna. And they also have to have an open circulatory system. Spiders also belong to subphylum Chelicerata. That means that their body is divided into 2 regions, an abdomen and a cephalothorax. And they lack jaws and have 6 appendages and an antenna. The first appendages form chelicerae. And then moving down, the spiders also belong to class Arachnida, which means they have a very diverse class. Most species are parasitic or predatorial. Many possess book lungs for gas exchange, and spiders are able to produce a strong polymer silk, and chelicera form the fangs. What we have here today is a Venusta orchard spider, and it has a colorful and elongated abdomen that's almost like shiny beads. This spider is common in forested areas, and the abdomen can be a variety of color combinations such as bright red, orange, green, or even yellow. The capsule-shaped abdomen is very different compared to the more spherical abdomen of most orb weaver spiders. Their webs can be found in shrubs or trees and have a widely spaced strand. The spider itself will hang upside down at the edge of its horizontal web or hide on a twig nearby. Once ensnared, the spider will bite the insect to immobilize it, then wrap it in spider silk and consume it when it likes. The average adult size female is 4.5 to 8 millimeters, and the average adult size male is 3.5 to 4 millimeters. How to identify if this is a Venusta orchard spider is a female would be either white, black, orange, yellow, or green, and a male would be white, black, yellow, or green. Another name for this spider is Lacuge venusta. The genus name for Lacuge is Greek for with a bright gleam. This is the only spider that Edwin Darwin actually named himself, so the Latin epithet for Venusta is charming, elegant, or beautiful. The total number of eyes on this spider is 8. The median eyes are grouped together and the lateral eyes are some distance away. The legs on the spider are long for the species. The first 2 pairs are the longest, the third pair are the shortest. All legs are covered in spines and hairs, which can help them sense, hear, and there's a long brush of Trichobothria on the femurs of the 4th legs. On females, the legs are typically green, sometimes with dark rings at the joints. On males, the legs may be green, yellow, brown, or orange. The body on the spider, in both genders, the carapace is yellowish green with a thin dark green or black stripe down the center and the sides. The abdomen is elongated oval that is twice as long as it is wide. The abdomen is also smaller in adult males than it is in adult females. The front end of the abdomen is rounded and projects over the cephalothorax. On the underside of the abdomen, there may be 2 bright orange, red, or coppered color triangles. Then the top of the abdomen, which I have mentioned before, differs between males and females. The females would be white, black, orange, yellow, or green, and the males could be white, black, yellow, or green. The Venusta orchard spider is a very cool spider to look at if you have time to, and I hope that I informed you a lot.